FMT-SSAS-V1. Ship Security Alert System. Installation and Technical Guide.
Unboxing FMT-SSAS-V1. FMT-SSAS-V1 is supplied with Satellite Terminal FMT-ST6100, Pole Mounting Kit FMT-IDP600MKT with Jubilee Clamp for Satellite Transceiver, Master Box Panic Button, FMT-JVM, Slave Box Panic Button, FMT-JVS, Power Pack, FMT-PP3, Transceiver Power Cable, FMT-V1C10C, Cable for Slave Junction Box, FMT-SC4C, and FMT-PC2C. Power cable for Power Pack 3 meters 2 pieces. Power cable for Master Box, FMT-PC4C. Data cable FMT-COM cable, for V-mail and firmware upgrade. USB to serial converter is not supplied in box, but supplied by the customer, if the computer onboard the vessels does not have DB9 port to connect data cable FMT-COM cable to the computer.
FMT-SSAS-V1 installation steps. Take note of the serial number of the transceiver. Locate suitable mounting place for the transceiver, considering the length of the transceiver cable FMT-V1C10C is 20 meters. Must have 360-degree clear view of sky to receive uninterrupted satellite signal. Any object between satellite and ST6100 transceiver can weaken or completely block the signal from satellite, hence the communication shall not be consistent. For example, in this picture you can see that the mounting bracket is installed upside down, and it is blocking the satellite signal when satellite is located in the direction of the arrow. ST6100 must be at safe distance from other transmission equipment like MF, HF, VHF and UHF antennas, and other satellite transceivers. Safe distance is minimum 4 meters from MF-HF antenna, 1 meter from VHF antenna, and 5 meters from other satellite antennas. For example, in this picture you can see that the transceiver is installed very close to a radio antenna. In this picture you can see that the transceiver is installed very close to another satellite transceiver. Do not install transceiver in front of radar beam, 30 degrees above and 30 below of the centerline of the scanner rotation plane. In this picture you can see that the transceiver is installed clear to radar scanner, other radio antennas and other satellite antennas. Lay the cable to proposed location for master box. Keep 50 cm to 100 cm extra slack of cable near the transceiver for proper securing and future maintenance. Do not pass the cable together with high voltage cables. Do not connect the connector to ST6100 yet. Install master box on the bridge, at suitable location, to press panic button easily. The box should be in the range of about 3 meters cable length from power pack. The box should at 3 meters cable length to a computer where V-mail software is run. Install power pack on the bridge at suitable location to take 24-volt DC power from GMDSS battery and 24-volt DC power supply running on vessel's main source of energy. Lay FMT-PC4C to master box and connect. Do not connect the power cables yet until installation is completed. Lay the cable from master box to the proposed other location of slave box. This other location can be captain's cabin or his day room. Consider the length of the cable as 20 meter while choosing the location for slave box. Install slave box at suitable location to press panic button easily. The box should be close to a computer where VMail software is run. Check that all cables are connected and secured according to this diagram given in installation manual of FMT-SSAS-V1. Do not connect the connector to FMT-ST6100 yet. Connect FMT-PC2C to main 24-volt DC. Connect FMT-PC2C to 24-volt DC from GMDSS battery. Observe green lights on main, battery and output on power pack. Check at J3 of master box. All cables are connected according to this diagram given in installation manual of FMT-SSAS-V1. 24-volt DC between 3 and 4. It should be almost same as in J1 or J3 of power pack. 3-volt DC between 3 and 6. It is the signal to the transceiver about the availability of main source. 2.4-volt DC between 3 and 8. It is the signal to the transceiver about the voltage level of the GMDSS battery. 0 volt means battery is dead or not connected, while 2.4 volt means the battery is at 24 volt DC. Continuity between 3 and 7 should read short when panic button is not pressed, and open when panic button is pressed and hold. Connect the connector of FMT-ST6100. Observe the status LED. The LED blinks for few seconds on power up and then goes off permanently. This indicates that the transceiver is up and running with LED in off state.
FMT-SSAS-V1 activation and testing. Log on to www.falconmegasolutions.com and create user account for the customer if it is a new customer, and sell airtime units. Register vessel, set notification settings, set APR interval settings. Perform SSAS test. Hold power status. Training videos of these steps are available at www.falconmegasolutions.com website.
VMail installation and connection. Connect COM cable at master box or slave box, one computer at a time. Connect COM cable with computer directly or through USB to serial converter having its drivers installed in computer. Install VMail software in computer and send a test email. Training videos of these steps are available at www.falconmegasolutions.com website.
Should you have any question or need any further information, please send an email on support@falconmegasolutions.com, and we shall respond you immediately.